So this is definitely my new favorite company, Vosteed Porcupine, and they make a lot of really awesome, beautiful knives. This company by itself is amazing. Now, here is the box that you are gonna get if you do get it. This was bought not from the company itself, but it was just bought on eBay. And this one is very exclusive variation and version of it, and you can probably still get it on Amazon, so I'll be posting a link just in case you want it. This is what it comes with. That's how they all have the same exact location for you to put this in. So let's go ahead and check out the actual knife itself and tell you why you should consider this your next EDC. Now, it does have very nice looking deep carry clip that is included over here. It comes sharp from the box, and it's easy. As you can see, it's easy for your finger to go ahead and open this up, and it's one hand open and one finger close. You can see the sound it makes. You know you're dealing with a very good quality knife. So you hear the sound, almost no resistance to opening it, and just a little bit, just enough for this that to go ahead and drop down or accidentally to open itself. This one is probably my favorite variation of it. You can see this looks like gold. It's really beautiful, and hear the sound. Opening it is so satisfying. And here is the button. So this company has been making the buttons for quite some time. As you can see, it does protrude out of it here, and it's not going to accidentally open and close on you. And for those of you who are still not sure, you're like, hey, this is a button close, it's not safe. Well, let's go ahead and check it out. Let's see if it fails. This is a real live test. Everything is live, and it's not dropping back. Now, most people who have this kind of a knife with the button make the crucial mistake, accidentally press on it and it opens up. Well, this specific button, the way it's actually protruding right out of here, makes it kind of safe. So you don't, even if you accidentally just push it just a little bit, it's not going to open. You have to press and hold it, put some power into it. You see, it's still not opening. And because of that, then it drops, and doesn't even drop all the way, which is a good thing. So it is definitely a fail-safe for you in case you're a newbie, a noob, you're using this. As you're using this, you're like, oh, oops, I pressed on it. Well, you have to kind of really press on it for this to drop. So that's a great safety feature for you to have. It is very sharp. You can even feel it right here. It comes out of right out of the box, extremely sharp. It has this groove right on the top over here. I like the way it looks. Now, on the picture, this looks much darker. I might have gotten a one that came out incorrect, or it would darken over time. I'm not really sure about that. You can also put some water on here. It's going to look dark right away, and then it's going to go back to its original shape. So I don't think that I got the best copy. That's why it was on Amazon. Other than that, it makes no difference to me. It's an awesome knife. The looks of it is really awesome as well. And you can go ahead, take this clip and put it on the other side in case you want to. Plus there is a hole right here, which is pretty huge. And you can put any kind of decoration on this as well. Another thing about this knife, opening this up, there is no hot spots when you're holding it, which is great. Next is right here, getting your cutting pretty close to the action. You can put your finger right here. And another thing I like about this, how easily it is for you to just put your finger right in here, and it just so naturally opens up. It's kind of thin over here, and it's thick on the other side. The grooves, we like in digging this entire style over here too. The fidget factor is just fun. It's just really well balanced. You can see it like balanced right here, really good right in the middle. It looks great too. I mean, this color code combination. This is actually an Amazon exclusive. I was saying that, yeah, you can get this on eBay, but on Amazon you can get it brand new. And this is the only edition that looks like that. and it's really nice. There's a few other additions that look similar, but they're different in terms of price. So this is the cheapest you can go for, that's for sure. And this one doesn't actually do anything, it's just for looks. So for those of you who think, oh, it's automatic, it's just a button. It's not automatic, it's just a button. That's all it is. You know, this is the style now with the buttons now. So some people don't like the buttons, but I'm actually, as long as the company makes very secure locks, you're getting a great deal. As you can see, safe. It doesn't drop all the way down. As it drops, there's still a bit of a place for you just to put it all the way down in case you accidentally just pressed on it. Another thing about this is that look at the grooves. Look at that look. This looks slick. And it comes exactly centered right out of the box itself. And that's what you want to see in a great knife. It has to be centered. Some of them are not centered, and that's not good. So no defects, no problem with the marksmanship. It is definitely a beauty. It feels naturally in your hand. It has its balance, and it opens and closes really great as well. You can see that, hold that sound. It just went right in here, and voila. Now let's drop it like it's hot and put it right back down. But yes, this should be an awesome knife for you to get and add to your collection. And of course, the case, Velcro, and how it looks, storage is also great as well. So if you're considering giving this as a gift to somebody, this is how it's going to look like with the box itself, which is, the box is probably the least favorite for this one. But the knife is really good, the price is awesome, the value is there, and the performance as well. So definitely consider this as your next EDC, especially if you're looking for something cheap, not too expensive, with awesome performance, easy to open and close, and it looks extremely slick.